Hey guys, what's up? Been working on this '07 International all day. Uh, Supposedly it was the F.I.C.M, so I'm not sure.
I saw that smile.
Yeah, but I replaced that and no go. Ran the batteries dead. Charging the batteries up, but we're not sure what the problem may be. But we're still working on it, and when we figure this out, we will let you know. So until then, if you like this video, which hasn't done anything really, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will do I'll do another video when I get it fixed, and I'll let you know what the problem is. Until next time, guys. God bless. What's up, everybody? I got this plug right here. I was thinking my truck had a F.I.C.M problem. Replaced the F.I.C.M, and I had my mechanic come out because the truck still wasn't starting. And well, I guess there's wires that go from the F.I.C.M and ICU or ICM, electric control module. It runs down by the firewall and engine compartment and around the back, I guess, because it goes kind of everywhere. And there's wires in the back that ran off all that. And it was rubbing up against the firewall, rubbed the coating off the wires, and so that was actually grounding out on the cab of the truck. And he pulled them back, used that spray duct tape, the liquid duct tape you can get in a can, and sprayed it. That way it'd cover all the wires and everything. And got everything back, and truck ran. Truck ran, and it even started up the next day. The only thing is, if you replaced your F.I.C.M and it's not programmed to the ICM, then your orange engine light's going to stay on. But it doesn't really matter. Went and started work the next day, loaded up a car, went and dropped off it. Got everything done. Truck died in the middle of the road. So here, he came out again, and I don't know if you know what this right here is. It's a plug, and it's been cut. This plug is by your fuse panel under the hood, and this plug actually goes to controls the F.I.C.M, the power to the F.I.C.M and the ICM. And look, he was there for 20 minutes. Whoops. Hang on, let me pick it up. He was there for 20 minutes. I don't know if you can tell inside the plug here. See how that center plug is burnt? And he didn't think it was that bad. But I mean, it looks pretty rough, kind of. Not really that bad burnt, but you can still tell it's burnt. But if you look inside here, you can't really get a visual because of the sunlight. But if you look down inside there on the middle one where it plugs in that, you can tell it's burnt too. So what he had done temporarily was he cut this off, wired them straight in together, and shrink the wire connectors. Got everything back, truck fired up. It's been running ever since. So sometimes when you got wiring problems, it just takes a while. But it wasn't the F.I.C.M, wasn't the ICM, wasn't anything. It was this plug. So just to give everybody a heads up, always look for stuff like that in case you're having trouble and you're trying to do it yourself. So until next time, guys, that's the video. God bless. Like, subscribe for future updates and future videos. Till next time. See ya.